Do you want restaurant quality shrimp udon? Just a few simple tricks to keep shrimp tender and noodles perfectly springy every time. Cut onion, cabbage, scallions, and garlic. On a plate, add deveined shrimp, add salt, white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix well. Cornstarch creates a coating so the shrimp will stay tender and juicy. Let's make the stir-fry sauce. Mix together soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce. If you are allergic to oyster sauce, just up it out and use a little bit more soy sauce, and chicken stock. You can also replace that with water. Today we're using frozen udon noodles. You can find them in most Asian supermarkets in the freezer section. If you can't find them, don't worry. You can replace with any noodles, such as rice noodles, ramen, or angel hair pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the udon noodles and cook until they're separated. Transfer the noodles to cold water. Here's another trick. Do not overcook the noodles, and a quick rinse in cold water is the key to springy noodles. Drain. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the shrimp and garlic. Then stir fry until lightly pink for about 1 minute. Yep, high heat, quick stir fry equals to tender shrimp. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Toss in the onion and cabbage. Stir fry until slightly softened, about 1 minute. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add another tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the udon and cook until heated through. Return the shrimp, vegetables, and sauce. Toss together for about 1 minute until well combined. Lastly, add scallions, bean sprouts. And that's it! Juicy shrimp, springy noodles, and packed with flavor in 15 minutes. If you also like to make super tasty shrimp lo mein, check out the video right here. Absolutely delicious! So please comment below and share with us what are your favorite types of noodles. If you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. And subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon! Bye!